This is not a partisan message. This is a human one. No matter who you are, citizen, immigrant, protester, or passerby, the Constitution protects you, but only if you know how to claim those rights.
ICE, open the door. We just need to ask you a few questions.
If ICE is at your door, you do not have to open it. Not unless they have a warrant signed by a judge. Most ICE warrants are administrative and do not grant them permission to enter.
Do you have a warrant signed by a judge? Slip it under the door.
Ma'am, if you don't open the door, things will get worse for you.
I do not consent to entry. Please leave.
Mom, what if they break in?
The law protects us. They can't come in unless we let them.
Right number 1. You do not have to open the door for ICE. Unless they show a judicial warrant, signed by a federal judge or magistrate, you are protected by the Fourth Amendment against unlawful entry. Staying silent is not weakness. It is your legal shield.
License, registration now, also immigration documents. Where were you born?
Officer, am I being detained or am I free to go? I choose to remain silent. I do not consent to any searches.
License, registration now, also immigration documents. Where were you born?
Officer, am I being detained or am I free to go?
You're being questioned. Answer the question.
I choose to remain silent. I do not consent to any searches.
Right number 2. You have the right to remain silent. This applies to citizens and non-citizens alike. You do not have to answer questions about your birthplace, citizenship status, or how you entered the country. If they continue to detain you, that detention must be justified by reasonable suspicion or probable cause. If they cannot provide it, their actions may be unlawful and challengeable in court.
You are under arrest for unlawful assembly.
I'm exercising my First Amendment right to peaceful assembly. I do not consent to searches. I want a lawyer.
I am a legal observer. You are being recorded. Please state the legal charge and probable cause.
Right number 3. The First Amendment protects peaceful protest. Federal officers cannot arrest you simply for being present. They must articulate a specific crime. What if they ignore your rights? What if they act outside the law? That is when we use the courts, the media, our communities, and each other. Document everything. Demand identification. Remain silent. Call legal aid. When a government acts unlawfully, the law becomes our resistance. Rights are not ideas, they are actions, spoken in moments of fear. Memorize these words. Teach them. Share them. Because when even one person knows their rights, power shifts. When millions do, tyranny cannot stand.
This isn't about politics. This is about human dignity. If you believe every person deserves protection under the law, help spread this knowledge. Your voice could be the one that protects someone in their darkest moment.